Hello guys, my name is Raindip T. Antigo, 10 Machaga. This is my presentation of cyberbullying. What is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is bullying with the use of digital technologies. It can take place on social media, messaging platforms, gaming platforms, and mobile phones. It is repeated behavior aimed at scaring, angering, or shaming those who are target. How to protect yourself in cyberbullying. Make the most of privacy setting. Investigate what measure you can take to keep content private on website you use. On Facebook and other social network sites, you can adjust your setting so that only the people you select are able to see your personal information and post. It's important to check this privacy setting frequently because sites sometimes change their policies. Thank you.